Hey guys, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. In today's video, we're going to visit the Friends Garden Center, but stay tuned till the end because you see a giant gardening haul that we didn't quite plan on, but we got all sorts of gardening supplies for a few projects that we're going to make videos on here on this channel. So sit back and relax, subscribe if you haven't already, and enjoy. Hey guys, we're here at Friends Garden Center outside of Thiensville and Mequon here. And I'm going to show you some of the plants that they have. This is just indoors right now. We thought we would get a few garden planters for the patio. And that's what we did. And then we also found some cute hanging baskets that we're going to put in the windows. But let me turn the camera around here and show you some of the plants that they have, especially these really cute succulents. All kinds of, see some graptosedum, some Ioniums, nice jades. Back over here. Lots of stuff for you guys for indoors. And then outdoor plants, of course, will be coming soon. We'll visit them once they get all their stuff outdoors and take a quick video tour for you guys. All these here. I'm here with the wife and kid. Here, these are the hanging baskets that we're going to put indoors in the windows. So we'll put succulents up in there. That's her idea. And then Sterling is having a great time. Right, bud? Yeah. He loves the plants. Say this? What are these? What are all these? Huh?
What is this?
Alright, well, we're going to get to shopping. I'll take a few highlight videos of the cool decorations and little fairy garden stuff they have. But all kinds of plants here. These ones, big, beautiful flower up on the top. That's a cool plant to have. And over here we have the quintessential fairy garden. Little ornaments and decor. All kinds of stuff for your little fairy gardens. Action.
Alright, so we just got back from Friends, and this is what we got. These are expandable planter racks. Pretty cool. They go up to 36 inches, I believe. And they're going to be going out on the patio, hanging over it, and
Patio.
we're thinking we're going to put some tulips in it, succulents, what else?
Some flowers.
Flowers. Just some cool stuff.
Yeah. Whatever we end up finding next time we go to the garden center that catches our eye.
So we got 2 of these. Probably will get 3, but we're going to start with 2. Then we got the 36-inch planter boxes that fit inside of it. I think we might need 4 actually, but...
Oh, she wants 4 already. So then these, they don't have drainage holes right now, but they have spots where you can mark them. That's so you can have them either indoors or outdoors, but since they're going to be outdoors here, we can have the drainage holes on them.
So next we got this bird feeder that you can suction cup to your window. And I think I'm gonna make Ripley go up on the second story with the ladder and put it on our bedroom window. So yeah, that's that. And then we got the bird seed. Supposedly this is the good stuff, and the birds like it.
If you're shopping for bird seed, just look on the back. It should have the analysis. This one's 19% crude protein, 32% crude fat, 16% crude fiber, then moisture, 12%. The other ones that were I think they were like $3.99 or even like $4.25, had only I think it was 9% crude protein and like 12% crude fat. So might as well spend a couple extra cents and get something that's going to be good for the birds and more helpful in the long run. So that'll go right into here.
So next we got our fairy garden stuff. This one kind of reminded us of Sterling because he sleeps like that.
Looks like Sterling.
We had to get it.
Hey, bud. Hey, is that you?
Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Can you eat your Cheerios? I don't want to give him it just in case there's glass on it.
So what other fairy stuff is in there?
Alright, we've got a road. Or walkway or whatever you want to call it.
Okay.
And then we got this kit. And we think that we're going to put each doorway in one of these.
What are these?
These are planter
This
boxes.
is up next. So this is Katie's idea. You saw earlier in the video, she was hanging on two of these. Usually, you put pots in these, and they're real popular back in the day, like 70s, 80s, a lot more popular than they are now. But, of course, like everything else, they're making a comeback. So we're going to make little fairy gardens. Yeah, and we had to buy these ropes to extend it because it's going to go in our window. So we have to have the right length on there. And we'll show you guys how we're going to put those up and everything. Probably we'll make a separate video on the fairy garden project. Today's going to be mostly about what we all bought. And then we're going to make a couple of videos on what we're putting in them and how we do that. Hardware, of course, we'll show you in that video when we put these up, how we're going to put the hardware in.
So next is our princess pine.
That is a Crassula Succulent.
And then we've got the Echeveria?
Echeveria. I'm trying to teach Katie here on the rounds because she's getting more and more interested in succulents and gardening, so it's very cool.
If you want to
That's a sedum, right? Yep.
Yep, I can see it on there.
See it right there. As far as exact varieties go on a few of these, we're not totally sure. They're pretty standard as far as Echeveria, sedum, Aeonium, and whatnot. That should be a type of sedum as well. I'm not sure. I couldn't find the exact one yet online. If I do find it, I'll let you guys know in a later video when we, do a propagation of it or something. That's a sedum
Another
there.
one.
Yep.
This has to be a type of it.
This is an Echeveria too. Want to see a nice close-up shot? Very pretty. It almost looks like an Aeonium, but they are not. You can tell the leaves on Echeverias are a little bit more plump. While this one here, what's that one, babe?
It says Aeonium?
Yep. Aeonium what? Kiwi.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It says Kiwi Verde.
Kiwi Verde. So that's an Aeonium Kiwi. Those will get real big and have more of like a bonsai type look. So they'll have the thick woody stalks and then they'll have little rosettes off of that. Now this one's cool. She picked this one out. You have any idea what that would be called? Just guess something stupid. Nope, totally different. It's a Hobbit Jade.
Right in there. Right there.
There's
Hi.
this hole.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, another one. Another one. Another one. Just kidding. There's not one there.
Okay.
What was
Few
the
more
one?
left
The one
here.
that smells like pine. This one.
That one. That's I
It's
think
like-
that's a type of sedum. This one broke off, and the sap that's in it is very sticky
Ooh, is this a?
and smells like pine.
Oh, that's probably the piece that broke off. And there's
So,
Sterling throwing all this
That's a
tree over my
sedum. This is a sedum right here. This I think is a Graptosedum. If I were to guess, like a Graptosedum paraguayse. Not sure though. Some type of Graptosedum. Even though this one looks pretty rough, we got it because it's nice and old. So it'll produce some strong offshoots. And the last one there. You know what
I
that one
have
is, babe?
No idea, but there's a bunch of babies in there that don't belong in there.
Oh, where?
What kind did we get?
We got 3 babies.
It looks like.
See, there's some Crassula
yeah,
back there
is that
too.
what this is?
Yeah.
What is? I can't get it out. That's a makeup trick.
There we go. So we got a free little baby. And then on our on that Graptosedum here, we got a bunch of little petals that were laying around. We just stuck them in there, of course, so we can propagate those out. And we didn't get to this one. This beautiful plant. That's a jade. Hey, you the beautiful plant. This is a jade. They'll grow nice and big. Did you make a mess? And then we got 2 40-pound bags of soil, so we can fill up these, and then the outdoor planters as well. Anything else before we check out? That's it. So that's our succulent garden project haul from Friends Garden Center.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for our upcoming fairy garden project.